हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपनालोকক टेन्सर विषय कम कोनটো टेन्स कोड केनेকৈ ব্যৱহাৰ হয় তাৰ বিষয়ে সম্পূৰ্ণ ডিটেইলছ কম। সো ভিডিওটো স্কিপ নকৰাকৈ গোটেই ভিডিওটো সম্পূৰ্ণকৈ চাব। The tense of a verb tells us about the time of action. There are three kinds of tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense বৰ্তমান কাল, past tense অতীত কাল বা ভূতকাল, future tense ভৱিষ্যৎ কাল। Present tense, it is used for actions that take place in the present time. The kinds of present tense are simple present or present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense or যিবিলাক sentence থাকে তাৰে sentence বিলাক কেনেকৈ লিখে তাৰ ফৰ্মুলাটো হ'ল subject plus v1 v1 ৰ লগত আপোনাৰ s by es plus হ'ব present tense ত থাকিলে sentence টো plus object. O means object, s means subject. v1 is present tense. Use of simple present tense. 1. It is used to express habitual actions. আমাৰ যিবোৰ সদায় কৰা কাম থাকে, যিবোৰ কাম আমি সদায় কৰো সেইবোৰ কাম বুজাবলৈ হলে বা সেইবোৰ কামৰ সেন্টেন্সবোৰ simple present tense হয়। Example: my mother goes to the temple every morning. I always speak the truth. 2. Used to express universal or general truth. যিবিলাক আমাৰ চিৰন্তন সত্য বাক্য থাকে সেইবোৰ বুজাবলৈ হলে সেইবোৰ সেন্টেন্স ক'বলৈ হলে সেন্টেন্সবোৰ simple present tenseত কোৱা হয়। Example: the sun rises in the east. The sun sets in the west. The earth revolves round the sun. ইয়াৰে যিকেইটা সেন্টেন্স the sun rises in the east, সূৰ্য সদায় পূব দিশে উদয় হয়। The sun sets in the west, ইয়াতে সূৰ্য সদায় পশ্চিম দিশে মাৰ যায়। এইটো চিৰন্তন সত্য বাক্য, কাৰণ এইটো বাক্য কেতিয়াও চেঞ্জ নহয়। এইবোৰ সেন্টেন্সত সদায় simple present tense ইউজ হয়। Whenever in a sentence there are two verbs, if one is in the future, shall or will, the other should always be in simple present tense. Example: I shall go if he comes. 4. For actions related to sense organs and verbs like think, feel, want, remember, love, like, hate, wish, desire, etc., we never use present continuous tense. In place of present continuous tense, we always use the simple present tense of the verbs. যদি verb বিলাক think, feel, want, remember, love, like, hate, wish, desire আদি থাকে তেতিয়া আমি present continuous tense সলনি সদায় simple present tense ইউজ কৰো। Example: I see, not and sing. An aeroplane in the sky. I love, not am loving you. It is used to express actions that are happening at the time of speaking. যদি কিবা এটা কাম কৈ থকাৰ টাইমত যদি কিবা এটা কাম হয় তেতিয়া এই সেন্টেন্সবোৰ simple present tenseত ইউজ হয়। Example: look how he walks. Here comes my father. It is used to express an actions of the future tense. Example: Prime Minister arrives in the city tomorrow. Conjugation of the verb do under simple present tense. এখন simple present tenseৰ এখন টেবল হয়। এই টেবলখন ইউজ কৰি আমি টেন্স বিলাক simple present tense কৰিব পাৰো। person, first person, singular, number, I do, যদি first person I থাকে তেতিয়া singular number হলে do, plural হলে we do, second personত you do, plural numberত you do, third person he বা she বা it থাকিলে তাৰ লগত v1 plus es, v1 ৰ লগত es plus হ'ব তেতিয়া does হ'ব, he does or she does, plural number হলে they তাৰ লগত do use হ'ব। Examples: Ram does his homework every day. Kritika goes to school every morning. I wake up early in the morning. Birds fly in the sky. We study in the same class. You will complete your sums when the teacher comes. Yet, Ram does his homework every day. Yet Ram third person he karne doer logot es use hoise karne does hoise. Next, present continuous or progressive tense. যিবিলাক present continuous tense or sentence থাকে সেইবিলাকৰ বাক্য গাঁথনিটো হ'ল বা ফৰ্মুলা হ'ল subject plus am or is or are plus v1 plus ing plus object. Example, I am playing football. He is painting a picture. They are singing a song. Use of present continuous tense. It is used for an action that is going on or continuing at the present moment, that is now. যেতিয়া কাম এটা চলি থাকে বা কন্টিনিউ হৈ থাকে বৰ্তমান সময়ত তেতিয়া সেন্টেন্সবোৰ প্ৰেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সত হয়. এক্সাম্পল, don't disturb the baby is sleeping. Second, it is used for an action that is going to take place in the near future. Example, the prime minister is arriving in the city tomorrow. 3. Verbs given below usually do not take the present continuous form. Verbs of senses see, hear, smell, taste, touch, notice, recognize, etc. Verbs of emotions happy, sad, angry, love, hate, fear, want, like, desire, forgive, etc. Verbs of thinking and knowing think, feel, observe, realize, understand, focus, believe, expect, remember, forget, etc. এইবোৰ টেন্সত প্ৰেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স নহয়. The in addition verbs like belong, consist, certain, matter, possess, resemble do not take the present continuous form of the verb. Conjugation of the verb do under present continuous tense. Do verb do present continuous tense কেনেকৈ ব্যৱহাৰ হয় সিঙ্গুলাৰ নম্বৰত প্লুৰেল নম্বৰত ফাৰ্স্ট পাৰসন আৰু সেকেন্ড পাৰসন থাৰ্ড পাৰসনত তাৰ এক্সাম্পল এখন টেবলত দেখুৱা হৈছে. ফাৰ্স্ট পাৰসনত do verb থাকে সিঙ্গুলাৰ নম্বৰ হ'ব I am doing, প্লুৰেল নম্বৰ হলে we are doing. be ভাৰ্বৰ প্লুৰেল নম্বৰ হলে তে be ভাৰ্বৰ তাতে am is আৰু ভিতৰত are ইউজ হ'ব. সেকেন্ড পাৰসনত সিঙ্গুলাৰ নম্বৰ হলে you are doing, প্লুৰেল নম্বৰত you are doing এ হ'ব. থাৰ্ড পাৰসনত he or she or it is doing, প্লুৰেল নম্বৰ হলে they are doing. Examples, the children are playing cricket. She is doing her homework. We are writing the rules of grammar. You are teaching. I am going to market. Yet the children are playing cricket. Children plural number hoy. Hekarne children mane bahut keita lora swali. Hekarne yate are use hoise. Next, she is doing her homework. Yate she singular number hoy or etu third person. Hekarne yat is use hoise. Next, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense or sentence bilakor বাক্য গাঁথনিবোৰ হল subject plus has or have plus v3 plus object. v3 means past participle tense. Use of present perfect tense. 1. It is used for an action that has been completed in the present, that is today, and the result of it is still continuing. কিবা এটা কাম অতীতত হোৱা বুজালে আৰু কামটোৰ ৰিজাল্ট বৰ্তমানত পালে তেনে সেন্টেন্স প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট টেন্সত হয়. Example, I have cut my finger. Result, it is still bleeding. You have torn your shirt. Result, it can't wear. 2. It is used for an action that began in the past and continue right up to the present moment. যেতিয়া এটা কাম পাষ্টত ষ্টাৰ্ট হয় আৰু এটো প্ৰেজেন্ট টাইমলৈকে কন্টিনিউ হৈ আছে, প্ৰেজেন্ট টাইমলৈকে কিন্তু ৰিজাল্ট এতিয়ালৈকে পোৱা নাই, সেইবোৰ টেন্স প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট টেন্সত হয়. Example, we have studying in this college since June 2017. 3. It is used for an action that has been completed but the time of action is not mentioned. Example, we have been busy this morning. My grandfather have met Mahatma Gandhi. Conjugation of the verb do under present perfect tense. Present perfect tense or do verb to kenaka use hoy tare table kon hol persons first person singular number I have done, plural number thakile we have done, second person you have done, plural number holo you have done, same hobo. Third person he or she or it has done, plural number hole they have done. Example, the sun has set. I have already completed my homework. They have lived in this house for 2 years. We have decided to live in Shillong. You have gone through this chapter. Yet, I have already completed my homework. Yate has or have dot formula to apnalok sabo pare have or has of have used ase karon etu first person. Next, complete or feature form completed hekane yate feature form completed use hoise. The use of for and since. For is used for a period of time. Example, for 2 years, for 6 months, etc. Since is used for a point of time. Example, since 5 o'clock, since 1st January, since yesterday, etc. Present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense or sentence bilakor বাক্য গাঁথনি বা formula হল subject plus has or have plus been plus v1 plus ing plus object. Use of present perfect continuous tense. It is used for an action that began in the past and is continuing at the present moment also. কিবা এটা কাম অতীতত আৰম্ভ হৈ বৰ্তমানলৈকে কামটো চলি থাকিলে তেনে সেন্টেন্সবোৰ প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সত হয়. Conjugation of the verb do under present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense under do verb to kenaka use hoy tare example ba table. First person I have been doing, we have been doing, plural number. Second person you have been doing, plural number you have been doing, same hobo. Second person singular number plural number duita same hobo. Third person singular number he or she or it has been doing, plural number they have been doing. Examples, I have been doing my homework since morning. We have been working for an hour. They have been playing football for an hour. He has been working in this office since 2nd March. Yet, I have been doing my homework since morning. I singular number kane yate have used hoise, have or has of have used hoise. Then been as given in the formula do verb logot do v1 means present tense ase tar logot ing use hoise baki khini object and complement. Next as we have been working for an hour yate we plural number kintu yate etu first person karone yate have aru has of have use hoise. Then been work is v1 and tar logot ing plus hoise baki khini object. At only third person logot has use hoy karone at the first person and second person logot have use hoise. Etia aji ikhini asil ajir present tense or oporot detail. Next video to moi apunalukor karone past tense opor loi ahim. Tate moi past tense or details kini gute hini kom etu asile je present tense opor details. So video to ekebare skip nokorakoi gute tu sabo. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Jodi আপোনালোকে ভিডিওটো ভাল পায় তেনেহলে চেনেলটো শেয়াৰ কৰি দিব আৰু সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব আৰু লাইক কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব. সো এটা নিউ ভিডিওৰ হৈতে আকৌ লগ পাম পাষ্ট টেন্সৰ ওপৰত. সো তেতিয়ালৈ বাই, টেক কেয়াৰ.